Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We out here again, looking at some old junk. This is nice. Not as nice as mine, but this is nice. Yeah. Can't play that music. Can't play it. This miles, this thing got a lot of gas in here. Good. Almost full. 139,000 miles. Got more miles than mine too. What I got? I got 99,000 miles on mine. Yeah, about 99,000 on mine. This older. Yeah, this is a little bit older, I believe. Because of this piece. This one be over here. Got some oil in it. Now this wind is blowing. Hope y'all can hear me good. The wind is blowing pretty bad. I gotta tell them no. I'm bidding on the Cadillac, a 03 Cadillac, so it's not out here. My car is never out here. I think that one will go pretty good. This one's gonna go pretty high. It's a 13. Yeah, it's gonna go pretty high. Pretty sure of that. This wind's blowing pretty good. Gotta get between these cars. Oh, guys. Oh, I see the Cadillac. Yes. It's right over here. I don't have to go back in and tell them. Next one. 03 Escalade. 160 something thousand miles. I already see something I don't like right now. Look at that. All tires. That's not a good sign. That's not a good sign at all. It's a very bad sign, but it looks good up under this hood though. It's real good under there. See some rust. Let's keep looking, cause this could be a rust bucket. Could be a rust bucket. Hey man, this is nice, man. This is really, really nice, like I said. Yeah, I like this. I don't think I'm gonna be able to afford it because it's dead. But this is really nice, man. Yeah, I guess that's gonna be the right miles. 160 something thousand miles on here. Only thing I don't like about that front tire. Yeah, but this is a nice one, guys. This is a nice one. Let me check the oil. This is a nice one. Ooh. Got drip, but yeah, I don't know. Yeah. I like it. I like it a lot. I would say it probably was taken care of. Probably somebody's grandmother or something. Grandfather had it. And They gave it to some young member in their family, and he tore it up. This thing sending this mixed signals. Look at that rust up there, but the frame don't look like it got much rust on it. That's wrecked in the front a little bit too. They said rear, but it's wrecked up here a little bit too. Oh yeah. Hello. Nah, it's okay. This one's okay. Don't look too bad, man. I'm interested. I like it. I like it a lot. But can I afford it? Can I afford it? I don't know. Maybe. This truck is showing a little mixed signs, man. See, some rust on the frame right here on the body, not the frame, but look at that. I don't know, man. I think this been wrecked before. I think this truck been wrecked before. It just, I don't know. That look like a dent. Yeah, that look like a dent. Right here, it's like a dent. I don't know. Let's look at the rear. First, look at the rear. Look at the seats. It's really clean. Look at that. That's a dirty spot. No DVD. No DVD player in here. I don't like that. My Suburban got a goddamn DVD player, and why wouldn't this Escalade have one? Why wouldn't it? This is very nice, though. I like it. Let's see the thing up under here. It looks good. I don't see no rust on the frame. Missing the spare. All these tires are bald, man. Worst part about it. But I like it. Can we afford it? Maybe not. But it's a good one, guys. It's a good one, but it is got mixed signals on this one though. Underneath look good. See, there's a hole in this shock right there. Look at that. Screw in the tire right here. See that screw? It's gonna need almost all new tires. I don't know, this is a tricky one. This is a tricky one. You bet if it goes for a good price, if it goes anything under 2,500, I'm getting it. I'm getting it. Anything under 2,500, I'm getting it. I am getting it. Yeah, I'm getting it. Anything more than under 2,500, I'm getting it. Yeah, I like this one. I like it. Yeah, I like it, but it is showing me mixed signals, but I like it. Definitely keep this one on the list. Definitely keep it on the list. Okay. But you're gonna need new tires. You're gonna need Let me see, they hit the rear, but really the front is weird. The worst dents are. Trash still in that car, guys. I got a video of this thing. I didn't put it up. I guess that was the problem right there. I thought that was part of the flare, but there ain't no flares on here. That's actually metal. That's metal. They did have these on. These things are actually built, except the doors. These are built on here. That's all metal. That's no problem. We can take care of that. Okay. Really? I saw this one, but I already know this one won't go for a lot of money off rip, so I didn't really pay it no mind. Let's look at it. What is that? They don't have the key for this car, cause yes they do. Yeah, see my Cadillac got that as well right there where it lifts up like that. The Cadillac when I first started my channel, yeah, and it's at the other yard. Yes, it's at the other yard. So yeah, but this is nice. So I know I won't be able to afford this one. Let's keep it moving. Look under it right quick. Let's keep it moving. I don't think so. It's a 2012. Not that much damage. Look at this Jeep right here right quick. Now this is nice, but I'm telling you guys, stuff I look at usually have a lot of damage. This stuff just don't have much damage. And when stuff don't have a lot of damage, these people go crazy on them. If they can't see the damage, put it that way, if they can't see it, they go crazy on them. That's not a lot of work. I can do that on my own. And prices go up and up. Yeah, this is a nice one, but this something is going to go for a good bit of money, a decent amount of money. Something I'm looking at up here. Yeah, I want one of those too, but not right now. Let's look at this. This is one look inside. I don't like the way it looks. So keep it moving. Oh, okay. Let's look at this 300 over here. Let's look at this 300. This 300. This is something more on the level of what I'm talking about. Yeah, stuff like this, but this isn't that bad. Also, somebody might still think they can just, they might look at it and say, oh, I need a fender and a hood. That's all I need. No, it's not. You're going to need to replace that dash also. Oh. 71,000 miles. Man, this thing is. Yeah. It's dead. Need a lot of work. Need to replace all these airbags. Yeah, seatbelt's locked up. Lower airbag down there. It's an S, but I think this is a 6-cylinder. Yeah. This is what I'm talking about. I guess I'll put a little bid on this one also. I really don't think it's gonna go for nothing less than $2,500. So, no matter what year it is a V6. Frame is not bent. If don't look bent, probably bent just a little. But like I said, if the frame ain't bent, that's a sweet thing for me. I hate too many of those frame jobs. Too many of them. Tired of doing frame jobs. But yeah, that's one. Okay, let's look. Let's keep it going. I'm gonna look at this. What it is. I don't know what it is, but okay. Let's look at that. What is this? Too rich for my blood. And it's dead. I don't even know why I looked at this, but that might actually be my thumbnail. Just looking at it. That might be our thumbnail, guys. Oh, okay. Yo, the video's coming to an end. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. We'll be back in the yard. Maybe this yard, I don't know. Let's see if we win that Cadillac. All that 300 or the 300 or the Chrysler 300. Let's see. I doubt we're gonna win either one of them, but we're gonna try. See you in the next one. Peace.